Hi guys, hi my loves. It's Ted and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share till it gets to the last person in the world, eh? Okay. Alright guys, I'm here once again today. I'm taking you through my braiding process. I braided my own hair. This is I think the fifth or sixth or even more times of me braiding my hair. I have a separate video, a very detailed video of how I twist my hair, or how to twist your hair, or how to braid your own hair. So I'll link it in this video. But this one, I was just doing it. I was just playing with my strands and I decided to record for you guys. Yeah, because I love you. All right, so just stick and stay, and let's do this together. All you need is your rubber band. You need your comb, a tail comb. Yes, will be fine. So I first sectioned my hair, then I secured the base with a rubber band, then I went on to braid my hair. So I used darling kinky. Yeah, darling kinky hair, that's what I used. So you see it, I think I showed it earlier in the video, but you see it when I start braiding the hair. Okay, so guys, this is me after I sectioned my hair. See the patterns, very neat, very nice, very demure, very mindful, very cutie. Yeah, this is the hair I used. Darling kinky long, 30 inches. Yeah, it feels very natural, and I loved using it. I loved using it to braid my hair. At this point, I could see I was making progress. The hair was looking nice, everything was coming together, and I was so happy. So guys, this was the final look. I hope you love it. Love the hair. You like the hair as much as I did. It was so nice. It was so beautiful. And I was so proud of myself. Alright guys, thank you very much for staying till now. See you in another video.